Radio from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Getting your morning inspired. Be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive. Make it a date with Martin, aka Metal, on M1 and 103.5 FM. From Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on the morning drive. 103.5 FM.
Good morning and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM. Today, the 17th day of December 2024. Today is Tuesday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on EBEONADI103.5 FM. This morning we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories, making the headlines. Please do stay with us.
Don't you have the right to free broadcasting? The National Broadcasting Commission says any person, group of persons, or organization aggrieved by conflicts of interest.
You're